What in your right mind?
I'm not gonna have this conversation right now.
I could have called the cops the other day, and I didn't on you because the way you treated me, the way you treated my mother, like if you want me to call right now and I will get like the divorce papers set up, then that's what we're going to do. But you are not respecting me or our daughter.
That's your call. I disagree about the Mackenzie part, though. So I'm gonna get out of your way.
Get out of the house now.
Sorry, it's not gonna do it. Excuse me, let go of my...
Get out of the freaking house. If you want to see me get freaking angry, and I will call the cops.
Wow. I guess you really wanted my bag. I'm disappointed.
Be disappointed.
Mm-hmm.
Please. 5217 Piper Lane. My husband, we've been separated for a month. He came back to see my daughter, and now he won't leave the house. He's gotten angry. He's been throwing things in the past. He's not been getting